Hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my phone screen, and I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah. So this is an exchange platform that I use to trade. Yeah. So it's like Bybit, Binance, and all these exchanges. Yeah. So, but this exchange platform is very easy to use. That is why I want to do a review about this exchange so that you'll be familiar with it. It's like Bybit, Binance, and stuff. Yeah. So, if you want to register, I have the link in the description or in my bio. If you register, then when you want to get the code at times it will appear in your spam list in your Gmail. So when you go to your spam list, you see the code over there, then you input the code to do it. Yeah, so I advise you to use phone, like your email, your correct email. Yeah, so after doing everything finished, you have to verify your account, like how normal exchange verify the account, because it's a financial platform, so you have to verify it first. So you go to your profile here, then you come to your permit certificate here, you click over there and you submit your ID card and stuff for it to be verified. Yeah. So when you verify the account, this is how the account looks like. So we have the spot trading, we have the future trading and stuff. Yeah. So when I come to markets here, you see that markets we have hot coins, Guinness coins, loser coins, and stuff. Yeah. So we have more than 10,000 coins over here. Yeah. So if I want to do spot trading, and spot trading is whereby you investing in crypto coins. So when I open my BTC, you said that BTC right now it's 94,000. So I'll just like, okay, let me buy it. So you can buy it, and I'll show you how you can deposit in your assets. Yeah. So I have 85 USDT in my wallet already, so I can choose to buy, let's say, 25% of BTC. Is that then 100% of my earnings? You see, so the 100% is me putting all my 85 USDT to buy the BTC. I can choose to use 40 to do it by using the 50% of everything. It, yeah. So then you click on the buy and it will buy. When it goes up, then you come to sell it. Is that right then? Yeah. So before you can do all this thing, you have to first of all fund the wallet. So you have to go to your fund. You come to your funds, then you click on deposit. Deposit here. So deposit, we see so that we have USDT, Ethereum, BTC. So USDT, then you copy your address here, a USD address. So we have TRC20 and we have the ERC20. Yeah. So you copy your TRC20, then you go to the other crypto wallet that you want to deposit the money from, then you deposit. Then after that, after doing your deposit, you can screenshot it and upload it over here as well. Yeah. So when you go to your fund, you see that it will reflect over there. Then after that, you can trade on this exchange. Yeah. So this exchange, we have perpetual trading. That's you using the buy long and buy short. Is that then? Yeah. It's like doing future trading. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how it is. So you can choose to withdraw it after trading. Yeah. So one thing about this is that it doesn't have P2P. So you have to withdraw your fund to, let's say, Binance, to sell it through P2P to get your local currency. Yeah. But you can, after that trade, can withdraw your fund, everything. So let me withdraw something for you to see. So I can choose to withdraw BTC. So you have to bind it first. So I have to bind TRC20 address it. So if I want to bind it with my Bybit, I just go to here, home, deposit, crypto, USDT, BP20, Then I'll no, it's TRC20 rather. TRC20. Normally I prefer BEP20, that's why. Copy it, come to the platform, and I'll paste it over here. Click on the paste here. It's a paste for you. Then you bind it. You see, yeah. So address has been bind. So it means that if I want to withdraw any money on my exchange wallet, it will go to this address that I've already bind. Yeah. So I'll click on all, and the withdrawal fee is 5 USD. For the withdrawal fee, it's 5 USD. Yeah. So I'll choose USDT withdrawal fee. Then I'll click on what withdraw, confirm. Me now will find anything. The withdrawal request has been submitted. So you go to check withdrawal history. So you go to withdrawal here. You see that the 85 is under review right now. So within 2 to 3 minutes, you see that it will withdraw into your the address that you bind in it. Yeah. So you receive it in your Bybit. Yeah. So the reason why I say that this is very easy for you to do your trade is that they also give like free signals when you're doing your future trading. Is that then? Yeah, they also give free signals. Free signals. Yeah, when you join the Telegram channel, they have some free signals that they join. Yeah. Yeah. So from now onwards, this is where I'll be doing my future trading and my spot trading. Is that then? This is where I'll be doing my future trading and my spot trading because it's look very simple for me. It's look very simple for me. Yeah, when I go to my market here, I have the spots and I have the future, everything over here. Yeah, it looks very simple. It looks very simple. And when you invest in the spots, when you come here, you see all your spots, the coins that you have. It will be here. The coin that you have bought and stuff. You see all the coins over here as well. Yeah. So it's very simple. It's very simple to use. Yeah. Yeah. So when you go to your withdraw and go to your history, so if the money is transferred to your account, everything it will show. It will show for you to see everything. Yeah. It doesn't take long to show for you to see everything. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and this is where I'll be trading from now onwards.